So we had our reception at the Beacon Center and it was amazing. I planned everything from California. Becky was amazing with the text and the email, keeping me informed of everything, sending me pictures of what everything was gonna look like, getting my input, putting her influence on some things, and it just turned out amazing. The venue is amazing. The hospitality and the customer service is a 100 plus. I cannot tell you how much it was a joy working with Becky and all that she did for us to make our amazing day more amazing than ever. I didn't have no worries coming from California, worried about any details from my reception because she handled everything like a pro that she is.
And I just want to say it was just a great event, and I thank Becky also for all of the hard work she done. You could definitely tell it was a hard work, and she did it with her heart because it was a beautiful event. And I just want to thank Becky and her organization for all the things she's done for us.
So when you come to Vegas and you're looking for a venue, come to the Beacon Center. You will not be disappointed.